So it's probably time to take off this nail set. It's definitely been a long time, probably a month, since I had to reapply a fingernail. So it's time to take it off. To take it off, I have 2 cups of hot water, vegetable oil, Dawn soap, and the materials that came with the press-on nail set. I'm going to place a lot of Dawn soap into the hot water cups and a little bit of vegetable oil. Or you can do half and half, that's fine. Now you want the water to be as hot as you can stand it. Hot water works better with the Dawn and the vegetable oil. But you want to take a spoon that you have and just stir the Dawn soap and the vegetable oil around so that it can be equally dispersed. And then you're going to sit in this mixture for 30 minutes. Do not lift out, like don't take your hands out of the water for 30 minutes, even to check. Don't lift out your hands. Just let them soak for 30 minutes. Put on a timer before you start and just sit there. Put on your favorite TV show, do whatever you gotta do, but don't take your hands out for 30 minutes. So this is just a clip of me taking off my press-on nail set, but your natural nails should look like this. When the nails start to pop off or come off on their own, your nail plate should look smooth. It should not look ripped. Please do not pry off the nails from your natural nails. Please don't do that. That can definitely cause damage. But if you need to help it out a little, you can use the cuticle pusher that came with your press-on nail set and just kind of lift the edges. Use the slanted end of the cuticle pusher and just kind of lift around the edges so that the water, well, the mixture can seep in there, break down the glue, and do what it needs to do to pop off. But do not rip it off. Just kind of pry at the edges a little bit. It's going to take some time, but it's better for the health of your nails to not just rip them off. Also, if you need to, after doing this, soak some more. Do what you have to do to not rip the nails off. If you need to pry it off and then soak some more, you can do that after the 30 minutes. Soak for an extra 5 minutes and then you can check every so often. Now I'm going to show you 2 sets of hands, but after you soak off, it should look like this. You see there's no rips, there's no tears or anything of the sort. You take your time with this thing, especially if you are looking to grow your nails and you're looking at you care about the health of your nails. So again, don't pry off your nails. They should not have any tears or any rips or anything of the sort. Just take your time and be patient. And then after you soak or whatever, you dry your hands off, you're going to go in with your buffer, your orange buffer, and just remove any residue that's off of your natural nails. If you're having trouble, you can use the nail file that came with your press-on nail set, and that will definitely get the nail glue off. While you're doing that, you can shape your natural nails just in case if they grew out and you want to have a certain shape or a certain look. You can do that at this time, and then you can also put some cuticle oil on your hands or apply a clear coat, and you're all finished. You can book with me to get a nail set. I specialize in gel X, so book with me, hit me up on Instagram, and yeah, thank you for watching.